key not working on your 2017 Toyota Vios? Don't worry, it's probably just a dead battery. And you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes. All you need is a flathead screwdriver and the new CR1620 battery. Take your key fob, you'll see a small notch at the bottom. Insert your screwdriver and twist it open. Inside, there's a second housing. Look for the notch at the corner and twist it open the same way. Use a smaller screwdriver to carefully pry the tiny locks loose. Now, remove the old CR1620 battery and pop in your new one with the positive side facing up. Reassemble the clear housing, snap everything back together, and you're done. Your key fob should be working like new again. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick car fixes.